Yes, shot 30. Let's go. I gotta do the other hand now.
There goes the master. The master.
Ready?
Alright, Bruce, let's go.
Oh my god!
It was so hard.
That's such a rare. That's such a rare.
Sorry, Bruce.
That's rare.
Yo, there's a random ball in my gutter in my way.
Is that good, Max?
That's not mine.
Max, just like that was so close. Two leaves.
It's alright.
Let's check see Alex doing it. I see.
Bruce, you need help with that? Come here.
No, I see his feet.
You gotta tighten it.
Oh,
Come on, Alex. You gotta hit it. Yeah, Alex. Holy cow, Max. Not bad.
I only won the second half of the game.
Holy chicken. I have a feeling that damage to the wind.
Mountain got strike. Bruce is really against the kids. Oh, Steph's gonna get it.
Yeah, I got you. Right, come on, Ben. Oh, Sam's actually catching up. Holy crap.
Who's catching up? I'm catching up on you. No. Oh, hell no. Hell no. Over there.
Ooh. Nice.
Over there.
Oh, my leg. Come on, Max.
I got 52. Yeah, I got 52.
Wow.
Oh wait, it's your dad.
You know, mom, the underside of this, like when I do like
I got
pressure
it.
cuts, right? They put strain on this.
Oh, no, it's good. Oh, dad. I ain't go like this. What do we say? Dad. Who's the same? Me, you. Oh, dad. Dad, he's running around like this. Yeah.
No, that's it. That's it.
Oh, you get one more.
The last one you gotta strike.
Damn! What the freak? Oh no, I think that's it.
That's not 100.
Damn, 100 points, insane.
Mini Man got 52. Dad,
Bruce,
Dad,
yeah.
Mini Man got 52.
Yeah. Oh, Ben's gonna hit. Ben's gonna hit.
That's a bad one. Yeah, I'm gonna try this little one.
Ben, go ahead, Ben. What? You know what? You know what? The ball?
Over there. Is it a volleyball?
This is a different ball. Oh, Ben's gonna get it. Oh no, no. Not bad.
Oh no, that guy.
Oh, the king is next. Oh! Damn!
Oh my god.
That was close. Got 7. Got 7 right there. Mercy.
7. What I got? What I got?
Oh, we're gonna be at 61.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah. You guys wanna go get drinks?
I need
Oh, you want me to go get some black?
I thought you were gonna get it for you.